What's up, everybody? It's Josh Mack, the chef, and I'm back. Welcome to the K Barbershop. I'm gonna give my man Gio here a nice, tight, medium ball fade, and we're gonna make this magic. So first, gonna put my guideline in. I'll start with a 0 all the way around. And I'm gonna work my way all the way to the other side of the haircut. Make sure that's even all the way around. So your first step after your guideline, your 0, I'm gonna make one step up from a 0 to a 1A. And we're gonna do that about an inch. You wanna keep the hair on the top, Jay? You wanna keep the hair on the top, Jay?
Yeah.
Okay. About an inch all the way around. I'm gonna connect that to the other side of the haircut. Yeah. So after I put in my 1A, was my next step after the 0 to a 1A, I'm gonna skip up and I'm gonna go to a number 2, and about right in here above your 1A, and then you'll have a step in between that 1A and the 2 will be your 1.5. All right, so we're gonna step up, skip that, and go with the number 2 right up here. So throughout this whole haircut, I'm gonna be using the Super ZRs. These are metal attachment blades. You're gonna get more, a cleaner cut, I believe, with these metal blades, but it's all preference really. And the steps are a little different compared to your wall or your Andis plastic blades, plastic guards. All right, I'm just gonna match that on this side. Back with the 0, the 1A, then the 2, right in here. This is more of a rocking motion. Take your clipper and slowly rock it in. All right, so we started off with our 0, then we started off with our 1A, and then we went into our number 2. I'm gonna take a step back down, and I'm gonna go into a 1.5 and take this line out right here, and then we'll work on this as we go up, okay? So right now I'm gonna go into my 1.5 blade, and I'm gonna take out this line right here. And if it doesn't take it out completely, we can work our way back down into the 1A, and we can notch into it with our 1/8 blade. So same step that we were using earlier. You want to go in at an angle as the hair is coming down. Follow the pattern of the hair growth. And if it's coming down this way, I'm going to go against it at that angle if it's coming down diagonally. So don't be afraid to grip your client's head. As you see, when you grip it, the hair moves up. Sometimes it's dense in here on your client's scalp. Nobody has a round head. So you want to go in and get that out in the little nook right there. If not, if you can't get it with the clipper, you can use your shear and just notch into it a little bit. take the weight out. We started with our 0, 1A, 1.5, 2. I'm gonna work my way into a metal 3.5, and I'm just gonna go in a little bit, see what it does. Try not to take out too much hair because we want to keep it, you know, we don't want to go too high. There's gonna be a high and tight, and you know, we'll go from there. So we took all the weight out. We're gonna go all the way back down to the bottom where we started, and we're gonna take this 0 line out. Remember, we went up an inch with the 1A to about right here, so we have, you know, that far to take that line out. Okay. And I like to go in and then rock out. Yes, sir. Just be careful of the dents, you know, again on your client's head. Give you an illusion that there's a weight line, or the illusion of it, you know, going too high in the fade. So same thing as on the other side. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna take this weight line out the best I can with my wall seniors. If I want to go a little tighter, I'll go ahead and use my my Babeless and get real tight. All right, now we're gonna you know, hit him with the lineup now. So you just want to keep the hairline as natural as possible. Don't push back the corners. We'll go ahead and enhance it a little bit as well, but try to get as sharp as you can with, you know, just with your trimmers. Don't push the corners too far back. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some enhancements on there. Not too crazy with it. This is a mixture of powder and hair fiber enhancement. All right. Fill it in a little bit on the top, some lighter areas, and just hit the corner a little bit, not too much. Okay. Always check behind the ear. Get real close. Make sure you get all those little hairs out of here. Same thing. Straight down. All the way down. Not too much pressure. These are, you know, these are a little sharp. Of your haircut would be to, you know, razor it. So you can go ahead and pull the skin nice and tight, taut, and pull the skin against the green. Hit those corners, right? Same thing right here. You're gonna lift up, pull it tight. When you're pulling it down, you're giving less chance of cutting the skin when you're pulling it taut, okay? Backhand it, pull it.